Turbo has felt like it's been consolidating for like the past 10 months now. It's been really hard to hold, guys. I completely understand it. Listen, I'm one of the biggest Turbo YouTubers. Well, people that believe in Turbo a lot and a YouTuber in the same sense. I'm not a big YouTuber by any stretch of the imagination, but Turbo is a project that we have covered almost daily here on this channel for like the past. We're nearing 2 years of full, just daily Turbo coverage, guys, okay? As of recently, we have started doing it every other day because I mix it up with kind of Toshi content because I believe that these are two of the best mid to high cap meme coins that are out there. I think the community is great for Turbo. I think the artwork is phenomenal. I think it has a great narrative that sets it apart from everything else. And it's a grassroots, fully organic funded project that has kind of gotten to where it is right now, guys. Again, all organically, right? Yes, YouTubers have jumped on it, covered it, but no one has ever taken a paid promo. There was no marketing that was involved with this project. It was all something that just kind of grew on the hearts of the holders, and that is why I'm fairly confident that we are not done yet. If you guys are new around here, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day. Where I try to help you guys find the next 10, 20, 50, or maybe even 100x gem in this market. Trust me, those plays are out there. We've been calling them, guys. We've been finding them. And all I want to say is stay tuned for this video because this is the video you want to watch. If you're a Turbo holder and you're wondering, where's this thing going to go? With that being said, let's hop straight to it. I know that was kind of a long intro and I yapped, but I do want to say, guys, if you're part of the Turbo family, first of all, thank you for the support that you guys give because you tune in and watch these videos every single day, even when there isn't necessarily a lot to talk about. Now, I'm bullish on Turbo. I've always been bullish on Turbo literally ever since I bought it, right? At 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 area. If you guys were buying back then, hats off to you guys because the people who are buying some of these projects when no one else wants to are the people that are going to win in this crypto space, guys. I want to say less than 3% of people in this crypto space are really going to make money. And if you guys are already watching these then you guys are already one step in front of the other people because right now in the market, the sentiment isn't the best, right? If we go over to CoinMarketCap, I'm fairly confident, guys, that the fear and greed is sitting at fear levels, 39 fear right now. And it's crazy that we're at 39 fear considering Bitcoin is almost at 110,000, Ethereum still holding around 4,300, and we are at 39 fear. This is exactly what I want you guys to kind of grasp, right? The fact that we're at fear levels and Ethereum is near all-time highs. Bitcoin is over 100K, over 105K is crazy to me because the last time we were at these levels, guys, Ethereum was $1,500 cheaper. So the fact that we're pumping, we're having these little cool-offs in the market, this is a good sign. This is what we need. This is healthy, guys. So do not be scared. Do not be fudded out. There is a chart, though. There is a very beautiful picture of how the money kind of flows in this crypto space, right? Goes into Bitcoin. From Bitcoin, money waterfalls down, it cascades down into Ethereum and then into large to mid caps. And some of those large to mid caps are plays definitely like Turbo. Turbo has always been holding in the hundreds of millions of dollar range. Listen, this thing almost got very close to breaking over $1 billion, and the fact that we haven't already is kind of surprising to me. And if you guys do think that we are going to get near $1 billion, then this is the time that you want to be clicking that green button over in your whatever exchange you guys use. Or if you guys are holding this on like a decentralized exchange, then the color won't really be green or anything. But guys, buy orders, in my humble opinion, obviously not financial advice, should be flowing into Turbo when no one else wants to be buying. That is how people make money in the space because now your market cap is 250 million, right? When this gets to $1 billion market cap, that is already a 4x return for you. And I don't think it's going to end there. This is more of a risk averse play, guys. So keep that in mind. And when I say risk averse, right, these are probably plays that they're not necessarily too much of a wild card. Yes, it's wild considering it's a meme coin, but even in the meme coin category, you could break things down, right? You have the risk averse meme coins, you have lottery plays, you have gambles, and so on and so forth. And for me, casino plays, lottery plays, gambles would be those new small market cap plays that come out, right? That are sitting at tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars because the multiples are higher, but the risk associated with it is also a lot higher. Whereas with Turbo, guys, the gains, yes, they may not be as high. You're probably not going to get a 40x, a 50x from Turbo, but your risk tolerance is, you're someone who gets in Turbo. If your risk tolerance is lower, your risk appetite is lower, guys, and even though you may not make as much gains, your downside is also fairly limited, right? So it's kind of like you pick your poison. What do you prefer? What I like to do is we make gains from small market cap plays all the flipping time, especially in the meme coin mastery, guys. If you don't know what this is my private Discord, my private group where people get my buy and sell alerts, where I tell people the exact moves I'm going to make, guys. And I even warned some of my people, guys, I'm going to be like, hey, guys, I'm going to sell a certain thing. Before I do it, I want you guys to do it. We do that stuff, okay? I'm not going to lie. There's some shady actors out there in this space, guys, that dump on their community, which is terrible. That is the worst way to go about it. And you could be rest assured that I will never dump on you guys. I just think that's just flawed in itself, because how could you dump on the people who support you? Anyways, listen, if you want to be a part of a pretty cool community where we have been crushing it recently, check out the meme coin mastery. Guys, it's cheaper than buying a cup of coffee every single day. Not only just that, guys, but you also get access to an exclusive course, profit taking, exit strategy, entry, exit, everything in between. And it's a community of investors who are all after the same goal that you are. Now, the price of Turbo getting dangerously close to that support area that's over here at 217 million. If we hit this area, guys, phenomenal, because that is going to be a very crazy bounce in the market right now. And again, if the markets like Ethereum and Bitcoin kind of move sideways, kind of move stagnant, then expect for these to drop as well, right? It's just kind of how it works. September historically has been known to be a fairly bearish month for crypto. However, what precedes September is October, and October is known as only up October. So if you guys are fearful right now, well then, hey, listen, weather this month out, right? Like, fight it out, guys. And I'm telling you, October is going to be very, very bullish, just based on what we've seen in history or in the last couple years, right? Obviously, guys, follow them on X. That's a no-brainer. And we're also having Turbo Day on September 6th. Maybe we'll do something cool, maybe some cool giveaways. If you guys haven't already and you're part of the Turbo family, you haven't subscribed to me, help me get to 20K subscribers, guys. That will mean the world to me. Truly didn't think I would be here, even with 17,000 subscribers. It's still crazy for me to even say that out loud. I appreciate you guys for tuning in every single day. And Turbo family, if you haven't already, please help me out and get to 20K. Turbo Day is September 6th, so maybe we'll do a cheeky little giveaway on the day. Hey, who knows? Let me know if you think it's a cool idea. If we should do that. Turbo looks very bullish, the community says. The community hasn't lost its confidence in Turbo, okay? That's what I like to see. Only future Turbo millionaires can like this. Hey, listen, if you're not liking this, then I guess you're not a Turbo millionaire. Day 109 of asking Robinhood to list the #1 AI meme coin. This is what I like to see. If you guys are Turbo holders, you want to do your part in spreading awareness for the project, and that is done by going on X, rating posts, talking about it, shilling it to these central exchange or these financial companies, their CEOs. Guys, this is how you make these gains. Turbo is only going to go as high as you want it to, only in 4 days, well, in 5 days for me right now and you guys watching. It's going to be Turbo Day 2025. The anticipation is building like a geyser under unstoppable pressure, ready to erupt on 6 September and flood the world with Turbo. When it blows, there's no holding back the power, the liquidity, or the global attention. This will be epic beyond belief. I really do believe it will, guys. Listen, if you guys did enjoy this video, one thing I do want to say is I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just someone who comes on here and yaps about crypto because I love it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care. Peace out, guys.